looking for sun to rise. So I've got a good news and bad news. My car's engine light was on since like a year. We got it checked by 3 different mechanics and they were all Indian. Here's the twist. This time, 4th time, so that was my husband who took them to trusted Indian people. Okay. But this time we took to an authorized dealer from Mazda who are all Japanese people working over there. And turns out all the Indian guys that we got the car checked with did not have a fine reason. What's the actual issue with the car? Why the engine light was on? Because it used to turn on, off, on, off, on, off. But here they found the fault in like 45 minutes, which is not too long, by the way. All the Indian guys that we had our car checked by, they all told us, one of them told us $900 for the repair, even though they don't have a proper answer that what's wrong with the car. And then the other Indian had about $1,500 of quotation. And here at Mazda authorized dealers, all Japanese staff working over there, absolutely rocking, because it will only cost me $450 plus GST. Okay, that would come up about what? Probably about $500 or $550. See, this is why I don't like to go to Indian people, because they rip you off for going to them because you trust them. Okay, and they take advantage of your trust. इंडियंस कहीं भी चले जाए, सुधरना नहीं है इनको, बिल्कुल ही नहीं सुधरना है. और एथिक्स और मॉरल्स तो है ही नहीं इनके, राइट? They don't have morals. Wherever they go, they just want to rip off people. This is not how business works. This is not how you get customer retention. I think a lot of people need to learn how to work like a real professional. Just here. So I'm just here to check out some cables. Turns out last night I almost had a panic attack. Why? Why? Because I forgot my charger cable at office. And my phone's battery was at 1%, and I started to look for a cable around the house, and I realized I don't have a single cable. I've only got my portable charger. Guys, never forget your charger or cable at the office or somewhere else if you've only got one, because at midnight you're probably gonna end up with a panic attack. Moral of the story: इंडियंस किसी को भी बेवकूफ बनाने से पीछे नहीं हटते, राइट? साले कमीने, 1500, 1000, $500 का काम तुमको $1000 में चाहिए, क्यों? नॉनसेंस. पैसे क्या पेड़ पे उगते हैं? आज मेरी स्पा अपॉइंटमेंट कैंसिल हो गई तो बहुत दुख हुआ, क्योंकि उसमें डिपॉजिट जो तुम देते हो, यू डोंट गेट इट बैक. It's like a cancellation charge, okay? And I did pay 30% deposit, which I lost, sadly. But I'm having a hell of a day. Also, I've got a nail appointment in the evening. Girl. So I'm going to get these changed. Okay, so I was wrong about the cost. It didn't actually cost us $450 plus GST, but it costed us $450 including GST. So even better. It was so good. अरे रिकॉर्ड प्रेस करना तो भूली.